Catch it, Emma!
Ha! Got it!
Wait, this isn't our street. Tom, he's wanted by the police. We have to get out of here. Hi, Emma. School is over.
Yes, let's go home.
Come on, the bus is here.
I have a math test today. It was so hard.
Really? I think math is easy.
Haha, not for me.
What's your favorite class, Emma?
Art class. I love drawing.
Cool. I like PE the best.
Of course you do. You love sports.
Hey, are we going to the park later?
Yes! Mom said we can play after homework.
Tom, look outside. What?
This is not our street.
Maybe it's a shortcut. No! This is the wrong way! My house is back there!
Tom, I don't see our school sign anymore.
Wait, where are the houses? I don't know this place. This road is so quiet. There are no cars.
Maybe the bus driver made a mistake.
Let's check the window. Maybe we can see a street name. I can't read it. It's too far away. Where are we going?
Maybe the driver is lost.
Or maybe his GPS is broken.
Tom, what if we sleep on the bus tonight?
Don't say that, Emma.
Or what if someone took us, like kidnapped us? Tom, I'm scared. Be quiet, everyone! Let's think calmly.
I want to call my mom right now. Wait, everyone, stay calm. Let's not panic.
Tom, my hands are shaking. Let's check the driver's name. I saw it on his badge, Mike Carter.
Good idea. Search it now.
Tom, look at this. Mike Carter is wanted by the police.
What? Are you serious?
It says right here. Oh no. What do we do?
Someone has to talk to him. I will do it. Tom, are you sure? That's so dangerous.
Please be careful, Tom.
I have to try. We can't just sit here.
Okay, I believe in you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
My dad works for the government. He is a famous CIA agent. If you don't take us home now, there will be big trouble.
Is that so?
Yes, he knows a lot of important people.
Okay, kid. Calm down.
Please, sir, just tell us what's happening.
All right, I will explain everything now.
Listen, kids. I'm not a bad person.
Then, why are we on the wrong road?
There was an accident on Main Street. The road is closed. I took another way to keep you safe.
So you're not lost?
No, and I'm definitely not in the news. Same name, different person. There are many people named Mike Carter.
Ha! I thought we were kidnapped.
Me too. I'm so sorry, Mr. Carter.
I'm sorry too. I was just scared for everyone.
It's okay. You were brave, not silly.
Can you tell us next time, please?
Of course. I promise I will explain everything next time. Here we are. Home, safe and sound.
Thank you, Mr. Carter.
Sorry for being scared.
See you tomorrow, Mr. Carter.
Bye!
Bye, kids. Have a nice evening.
Today was a crazy day, right?
Yeah, but at least we're home.
Another beautiful morning.
It really is.
Good morning, Max.
Emma, eat your breakfast first.
Okay, Mom.
But where is Max's food?
It's in the kitchen. I will give it to him later.
Look, Max is still sleeping. He is so lazy.
He likes to sleep in the morning.
Just like you, Chuckles.
Max? Max, where are you? Mom! Mom! I can't find Max. What? He was here this morning. The gate is open. Did he go outside? Oh no. Let's call Dad.
Excuse me, did you see a big golden dog? A big dog? Yes, I saw a dog this afternoon. He ran down the road.
Which way? Which road?
He went that way, near the park.
Come on, Mike. Let's go.
The park! Let's go to the park! Good boy. Let's go. I don't see anything. Max Gex! There he is! Max? Oh. Bark, bark, bark. Oh. Is this your dog?
Yes, his name is Max.
Thank you so much. He came here alone. He looked lost, so I kept him safe.
Thank you. You are so kind. Max, why did you run away?
Woof.
I think I know. This morning, I left the gate open by mistake.
And Max saw a cat. Oh, he always wants to run after cats.
Oh, Max, you are so silly.
Next time, I will close the gate. I promise.
Ah, home at last.
It feels so good to be back. Hi, Max. Did you miss me?
Max is home now.
Yes, he is. We are so happy.
Mom, can we put a tag on Max?
That is a great idea, Emma.
Now people can call us. If you get lost again, okay? Dad? It's late. Why are you here?
Why are you not in bed?
Oh, Emma. You are awake? Go back to bed. It is very late.
But Dad, I heard a noise. Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. I cannot sleep tonight.
What things, Dad? Tell me.
Well, today at work, my boss gave me a big project. It is very important. I need to finish it in 3 days.
3 days. That is not a lot of time.
No, it is not. I am a little worried.
What is the project about?
I need to make a report about numbers and money. It is difficult.
Oh. Both of you are awake? What is happening?
Dad cannot sleep, Mom. He is worried about work.
I know. I heard you talking. Here, some warm tea. Tea is good for sleeping.
Thank you. You are very kind.
You work very hard, honey. You always do your best. Don't worry too much.
You think so?
Yes, you are smart. And tomorrow you can start early. But now, rest.
Dad, when I am worried, I do 3 things. Do you want to know?
Yes. Tell me, Emma. What do you do?
First, I breathe slowly. Like this.
Second, I think about happy things, like our dog, Max, or our holiday at the beach.
That is a good idea.
Third, I close my eyes and count to 10. 1, 2, 3.
That is very smart, Emma. Where did you learn that? From my teacher, Mrs. Lawn.
You know what? I feel better now. Thank you, Emma. Thank you, honey.
Family makes everything better.
Dad, the project is important. But you are more important. To us.
Emma? That is so sweet. Where did you learn to say that?
I don't know. I just think it is true.
Okay. Let's all go to bed now. It is very, very late.
Good night, Emma. Sleep well.
Good night, Dad. Don't forget, breathe slowly. Count to 10.
I will. Good night.
Good night, sweetheart.
Ay, ay.